Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do tasks in Outlier AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So first, create your Outlier account. You'll be asked to verify your email and complete an onboarding process. This might include training modules or short assessments to match you with the right tasks. Once onboarded, head to your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of available tasks, things like ranking AI responses, rewriting prompts, or categorizing content. Each task shows the pay rate and estimate time. You can pick a task and follow the instructions carefully. Outlier values quality, so take your time and be accurate. You can work at your own pace and feel free to skip tasks that don't interest you. Your completed tasks are tracked in real time and your earnings will be visible in your dashboard. Outlier usually pays weekly, so depending on your region and payment method. That's it. Outlier makes it easy to work flexibly, earn remotely, and contribute to AI development. Ready to get started? Just log in and check out your first task.